Who wants foot ride?
Me.
You riding on my foot? You know your mom used to ride on my foot like this. Who's that guy? Do you want to ride too?
No.
Nope. Big Owl don't want to ride?
Yes.
You can't hold Big Owl and get a foot ride, can ya?
Yeah, but I'm holding on to him tight.
You're holding on to him tight. Colin!
Silence.
Whoop. Did you hit your head?
Yeah.
Did it hurt? Whose shoes are those?
Mine.
Those your shoes?
Yeah.
Woo! All done. Is that fun?
Yeah.